Namaste sir, I am Dakshina from grade 5th B. I am studying in Kavina International School. My project name is Human Kidney. Namaste sir, my name is Kavisha. My project is lungs. Namaste sir, my name is Jivida, grade 5th B. My brother name is human heart blood circulatory system. The heart is located in the middle of the chest. The heart contains four chambers. The two upper chambers is called left and right ventricles. The artery, the lower chamber is called left and right ventricles. Namaste sir, my name is Shakti Srinidhi from grade 9. My project is human heart. Namaste sir, my name is Archana Sri. I study in 4th A. My project name is adaptation in plants. Most mountain plants grow close to the ground to avoid being uprooted by strong and frequent winds. The trees are normally cone-shaped with conical branches. Example: conifers and pine and fir. Namaste sir, my name is Joy Kumar. I am studying grade 4th B. My project name in Kavina International School. My project name is Save Earth, Save Animals, Brown Nature, Use Dustbin, Stop Pollution, Save Trees, Save Water, Stop Cars. My name is Namaste sir. My name is Sai Sharan. I am studying Kavina International School. My project name is Human Digestive System. The digestive tract starts with mouth and ends with the anus. It includes different parts such as the mouth, stomach, liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anus. The digestive system converts the food we eat into glucose. Thank you. Find your fingerprint type. Sir, you want to find your fingerprint type? Okay. Sir, keep your hand in the stamper, sir. And keep in this paper, sir. Rough paper. And keep here, sir. Sir, your fingerprint type is loop type, sir. It is used to identify a person. Fingerprint, there are three types: loop type, hole type, arch type. There is a fingerprint used to solve several issues such as identifying the criminal, rape cases, robbery, murder, crime, etc. There is a separate course for students called forensic science. There is a separate branch in police department called forensic department, sir, to find out the accused or criminals, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, you want to remain? Namaste sir, I am Dia Sophie from grade 7A. This is my project battery car. System architecture of four types of electric car is as follow. Battery electric vehicle BEV. BEV are also known as all electric vehicle. AEV. Hybrid electric vehicle HEV. HEV are also known as series hybrid or parallel hybrid plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. A vehicle do not produce any.
Can you demonstrate?
Sir?
Can you demonstrate?
Sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Good.
Namaste sir, I am Pundri from grade 7A. This is my working model electric bell. The electromagnet is powered and generate a magnetic field that attract the iron strip towards it. The striking arm strikes and the connector will broken and the current stop flowing towards it. Thank you sir.
Good. Remote. Okay.
My name is Nasi from grade 5. My topic is wastewater management. Wastewater treatment is the process of removal of impurities from wastewater before it reaches as river, lakes, and oceans. The pure water is not found any distinction between the clean water and polluted water is not found any. Water depends on the types and concentration and of impurities found the water as well as its intended use. There are two types of wastewater. Black water contains human waste, harmful James grey water of water discharge sources, sewers, sink and washing machine. Thank you.
Do you have water to test it? Okay. Nice. Thank you.
My name is Madhuvadani from grade 5th. My topic is solar eclipse. When a heavenly body moves into the shadow of another heavenly body, an eclipse occurs. It occurs when the moon passes between sun and the earth. It can be viewed only small area of the earth where the shadow of moon falls. The time when they are aligned is known as eclipse season, which happens twice a year on April 8, 2024. A total solar eclipse crossed North America, passing over Mexico and United States, Canada. Thank you. Namaste sir, my name is Siddharth Bandi. My topic is balanced diet. Daily eat fruits and vegetables. Give vitamin. Meat and fish give protein. Milk and cheese giving fat. Rice and potato giving carbohydrate. Oil giving fat. Sir. Our project name is good conductor and bad conductor. We say about the bad conductor. The material which can be allowed to the electrical current is called a good conductor. He tell about the bad conductor. The bad conductor does not allow the electricity to the circuit. Example, plastic. Because the plastic does not have the free ions to pass the electricity, result the bulb does not glow. Namaste sir, I am Sarvesh Kumar from 6th. My project is electrolysis of water. See here sir, the small bubbles come in sir. The small bubbles are hydrogen sir. When the electric current is passed into water, it lets water molecules in hydrogen and oxygen sir. And the plus means oxygen and minus means hydrogen sir.
Can I demonstrate?
Sir?
Can I demonstrate?
Sir, bubbles.
Okay, bubbles is good, right?
Yes, sir.
You want to explain?
Namaste, sir. My project name is hydraulic truck. The hydraulic truck, which is operated by the fluid pressure, it is used to carry heavy load. The basic principle behind it is law. Thank you, sir. Namaste, sir. It is the coronavirus. It is look like the sun for another. Thank you. Namaste sir, this is Srimadana here from grade 7 and this is my project. This is the smoke fountain. I admire to do this because it is having a lot of weight and mechanism. The inside waterfall cones are partially drilled through from the bottom to just under the tip. The scarf is smoke to stream back down to the cone instead of upwards, and the ceramic burner has small hole in the top where the smoke can escape through and cascade down to the bottom. Thank you sir, have a nice day. Namaste sir, I am Kushika. This is Srimadana here. We are studying 7th standard. Today we are going to describe about the topic of refraction of light through convex lens, concave lens. Glass prism, glass slab, refraction. Sir, in the convex lens, after the refraction, the light will converge. And in the concave mirror, after the refraction, the light will diverge. In this glass prism, it will go to different directions. In the glass slab, it will go straight, but it will come reverse. So this will bend. Why it will bend means normally it doesn't high temperature, but when we light this, it just more to low temperature and resulting in bending. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Namaste sir, I am B. Harshvardhan from grade 6. Today I am going to talk about the working model of Chandrayaan 3. I admire to do this because it was very famous in this period. The name rocket comes from the Italian rocketta, meaning bobbin or little spindle due to the similarity of the spool used to handle this and the thread used to be fed to the spinning wheel. Some of the fuels are added in here and it turns into hot gas. And when the hot gas gives pressure, it will move forward. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
You want to explain?
You want to explain?